All right, hopefully I'm recording. So this is my Sheet Brain Lab. I'm going to scroll down to show you my sheet. Good news, I'm recording. So there's my paper. And then over here is my Sheet Brain. So I'm going to move my paper closer so that I can see it. And then grab my pointer. So this whole area here, this is the cerebrum. This is the cerebellum. This here, crosswise, is the longitudinal fissure. And then this here, this kind of little hill part is the gyrus. And then the little valley piece is the, I'm going to pronounce it wrong, Silus? Sulcus. Then on a sheep, the frontal lobe is here. It's a small section. And then the parental lobe is here. It's a larger section. And then the occipital lobe is right here. The temporal lobe, I have to flip to the side, right here. This will be the temporal lobe on each side. This here is the cerebellum. And then open it up. So I've already done, already cut it. Then right here, I'm going to use this little tool instead. This here, the top half of this, so from here all the way up is the corpus callosum. And that goes all the way down. And then the underside here is the fornix. And then from this little circular area here is the thalamus. And hopefully I use the right side. Yes, so right here, this is the pineal gland. That's right here. And then I'll go back to the thalamus right here. And then under that is the hypothalamus. So that will be right here. Then from the hypothalamus, we're going to go to right over here. And that would be midbrain. And then the easiest way to tell from midbrain is, and I don't have a good view here, is as you go from here to here, and then there's a little bump here, and that tells you where pons starts, and that's pons. And then from here to here is the medulla oblongata. So here to here is, this is midbrain. This is pons, and then here to here, to the end, is the medulla oblongata. And then I'm going to flip it over. It's the easiest way to do this part. And then, this next on the list. The olfactory bulbs are here on each side. And then the olfactory tract is over here. Optic nerve is actually cut on this, so it would be come off of here, or the optic nerve is cut on here. So it would come off of here. The ocular motor nerve 3, so it would be 1, 2, I'm trying to remember the order of the nerves. 2, where would 3 be? Nerve 3 would be here, and then the trochlear nerve 4 is actually under here. It's in this tiny little spot right in here, and I think there's a better view of it from the other side. I'm going to flip to the other side and see if I can get it there. Turn it over. I think I had it from the other side. 4. Out of the way. Sorry. It's not a great view, but 4 basically sits under 5. And it's right under in there. So that is my sheep brain.